Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gaming mic is probably one of the most important purchases a streamer or gamer can make, drastically improving the quality of your online presence and communication. A high-quality microphone paired with a flexible boom arm ensures crystal-clear audio, free from background noise and distractions, allowing your voice to shine through in online games, streams, and recordings. Finding the perfect balance between audio quality, comfort, and ease of use is key, and this video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing your setup. Number 5. FIFINE T669 USB Microphone Kit. It boasts a simple plug-and-play USB connection to your PC or laptop. No extra hardware or drivers are needed to start recording vocals, podcasts, or Skype calls. High-quality sound is now easier than ever to achieve. This microphone offers a wide frequency response and handles loud sounds with ease. Its cardioid condenser capsule captures clear audio from the front while minimizing background noise. You'll get great sounding results, perfect for home or project studios. The sturdy boom arm provides flexible positioning with 180 degrees up-down and 135 degrees forward-backward adjustment. It ensures optimal positioning for podcasting or voiceovers. The double pop filter further minimizes unwanted noise. It comes with a heavy-duty C-clamp and a detachable desktop mount for secure placement. The low-profile design avoids obstructing your view during recordings, making it ideal for streaming, video dubbing, or online conferencing. It includes a sturdy all-steel scissor arm stand, a shock mount, a double pop filter, a premium USB cable, and a user manual. Everything you need for professional quality recordings is included. What we like. It boasts a simple USB connection, perfect for beginners. Its excellent sound quality ensures your recordings are crystal clear. If you need a durable boom arm for versatile positioning, this is the one for you. What people say. The sound quality is clear and professional, perfect for voiceovers, YouTube, and gaming. The adjustable boom arm and shock mount provide great stability, and the plug-and-play USB feature makes it easy to use with my computer. Taking it out of the box, it seemed like it was built okay, if you judge build based on weight. The microphone itself was pretty lightweight. The parts are light aluminum and have the feel of a desk lamp of similar style. Sound quality, very nice. I compared it to both the MacBook Pro built-in microphone and the Mac Studio display microphone, and it crushes both of them. The mic sound and quality is great, sensitivity is very good if you have it up, though people can hear your keyboard, so you'll have to do some edits. The stand versatility is decent, but build quality could be better, it's very loose. Number 4. FIFINE AmpliGame Mic. It features a customizable RGB lighting system with 7 gradient color modes, setting a vibrant atmosphere for your gaming sessions. A convenient mute button instantly silences the microphone, preventing accidental interruptions during gameplay, and the RGB light turns off to indicate mute status. This microphone is designed to capture clear and full audio, making your voice sound crisp and natural. The cardioid condenser design minimizes background noise, ensuring your teammates hear you loud and clear, whether you're playing on PC or PS5. Easily adjust the microphone's gain using the conveniently placed knob, allowing you to balance your voice with game audio without interrupting your gameplay. The adjustable thumbscrew lets you find the perfect recording angle for optimal comfort and sound quality. It's plug-and-play compatible with PC, PS4, and PS5, making setup a breeze. The long, detachable USB cable provides flexibility in placement, and the secure connection ensures uninterrupted game chat. The included shock mount and pop filter minimize vibrations and plosives, resulting in cleaner recordings. The sturdy tripod stand keeps it stable, even during intense gaming moments. In the box, you'll find the microphone with shock mount and pop filter, a tripod stand, a 6.6-foot USB cable, and a user manual. It's ready to enhance your streaming and gaming experience right out of the box. What we like. This mic features customizable RGB lighting to enhance your streaming setup. The clear audio pickup ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. If you're a gamer looking for a fun, easy-to-use mic, this is perfect for you. What people say. The sound is incredible and it legitimately competes with mics triple the price. I use this for both work and gaming on 2 different PCs, and I don't have to have it directly in front of my face, or on camera, for it to pick me up. Quality is great. It's lightweight, which made me question build quality, but my daughter has knocked it onto the floor at least 3 times and not a dent, scar, crack, or audio problem. Easy installation and setup. The sound quality is crystal clear, no background noise or distortion, even during long gaming sessions. The RGB lighting is a fantastic touch, adding a vibrant and professional look to my setup. It's customizable and syncs perfectly with the rest of my gear. Number 3. SUNMON Boom Arm for HyperX QuadCast. This boom arm is designed for optimal microphone positioning. Easily adjusted to the perfect angle and height for clear, crisp audio. Dual suspension springs and reinforced knobs ensure your microphone stays exactly where you want it. No more unwanted shaking or noise. It comes with a pre-installed adapter, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Simply attach your microphone and start recording. The sturdy clamp securely attaches to desks up to 1.89 inches thick. The added sponge protects your desk from scratches. The package includes the boom arm, a desk clamp, and a 3/8 to 5/8 adapter. You'll have everything you need for perfect microphone placement. It's not just for HyperX QuadCast. It works with a wide range of microphones, including Blue Yeti, FIFINE AM8, and many more. What we like. This boom arm provides exceptional stability for your microphone, minimizing vibrations and ensuring smooth recordings. It's compatible with various microphone models. If you need a reliable and adaptable boom arm, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The stand boasts a sturdy build with a sleek black finish that complements any workspace. Its adjustable suspension boom scissor arm allows for precise positioning of the microphone, enhancing flexibility during recording sessions. Setting up the stand is straightforward with a strong desk clamp that securely holds without damaging surfaces. It's easy to adjust the arm's height and angle using smooth articulation and tension knobs, ensuring optimal microphone positioning. The sound quality is phenomenal, crystal clear and rich, making my voice sound professional. I appreciate the built-in pop filter that effectively minimizes unwanted noise, allowing for flawless audio capture. Number 2. FIFINE AmpliGame AM8 Microphone. It offers a balanced audio range with a frequency response of 50 Hz, 16 kHz, ensuring your voice resonates with your audience. Its cardioid polar pattern minimizes background noise, capturing clear and intelligible audio for your recordings. This microphone is compatible with XLR connections, allowing for use with sound cards and mixers. This expands your audio flexibility and enables you to explore diverse music recording options. For ease of use, it also features a USB connection for plug-and-play convenience. A handy mute button with an LED indicator lets you quickly control your audio privacy during live streams. The RGB ring boasts 3 modes and over 10 colors, adding a personalized touch to your setup. Control the lighting directly on the microphone for a customized look during gaming or streaming. A headphone jack provides real-time audio monitoring, so you can hear exactly what your audience hears. A smooth gain knob allows for precise audio adjustments. It's perfect for both professional and casual use. Its versatile design and compatibility make it suitable for various settings and applications. What we like. This mic offers natural and clear audio with both XLR and USB connectivity options for flexibility. It also features convenient mute and gain controls. If you need a versatile microphone with easy-to-use controls, this one is for you. What people say. The sound quality is crystal clear with great depth, and it captures my voice with incredible accuracy. Whether I'm speaking softly or projecting my voice, the AM8 handles it perfectly, and there's no distortion whatsoever. Despite being made of plastic, the microphone feels very solid. The plastic itself is thick, has good weight to it, with a satin finish. The RGB lights are a bit bright for my low-key stream, so I keep them off, but if you have a neon RGB aesthetic it'll fit right in. It's pretty much plug-play with the USB connector, and of course having the option to upgrade is really nice. Using Windows OBS, setup required no extra clicks beyond adding the mic as a source and adjusting filters. Tap to mute function is receptive, so you don't have to mash it. Most importantly, my voice is much clearer and more crisp, and you can't even hear all the fans running in the background, which was a huge issue before. Number 1. FIFINE Amplitank K688. It boasts a durable metal build and a high SPL of 130 dB, ensuring your recordings remain crisp and clear, free from distortion. Its cardioid pickup pattern minimizes background noise, capturing only the essential audio. The XLR interface enhances audio space for immersive podcasts. It reduces circuit noise interference, resulting in upgraded dynamics and details in your audio recordings. It offers both USB and XLR connectivity, providing flexibility for various recording setups. The USB connection is particularly convenient for quick recordings on your desktop or laptop. A tap-to-mute function on the front panel provides a quiet and convenient way to mute the microphone. You can also easily adjust the recording volume with the gain knob. Real-time monitoring through a 3.5mm headphone jack lets you check your audio. You can also directly adjust the monitoring volume for precise control over your sound. The included windscreen minimizes plosives and harshness in vocals. For even cleaner recordings, use it with an external shock mount to reduce low-frequency vibrations. It comes with a dynamic microphone, shock mount, USB cable, adapter, and user manual. For optimal performance with XLR, use an XLR to XLR cable. What we like. This mic delivers clean and detailed audio with both XLR and USB options. It also includes real-time monitoring and volume control. If you are a professional or serious hobbyist who values high-quality audio and precise control, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The sound reproduction from the FIFINE dynamic microphone is fantastic. It captures my voice with great clarity, ensuring my listeners can hear every word clearly. The dynamic nature of the mic means it's excellent at rejecting background noise, which has significantly improved the cleanliness of my recordings. The build quality is another standout feature. The microphone feels solid and robust in my hands, and it's been able to withstand the rigors of regular use. Plus, the sleek design gives it a professional aesthetic that looks great in my setup. This FIFINE microphone offers impressive versatility with both USB and XLR connections, making it perfect for both beginners and those looking to upgrade their setup later. The sound quality is clean and clear, with good background noise rejection thanks to its cardioid pattern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.